Ginger scared of Mama.
No.
Yeah, she was walking towards the laser. No. She saw you. She just backed up. Joey, stop! Stop acting like you're gonna kick her. Stop, Joe. Don't do that.
I'm not.
You were just like.
No.
Don't, Joe.
I'm not.
What?
Joe.
What?
Joey was just.
So what?
Joey was kicking the air near Ginger's face.
Nuh-uh. I like this. Get her.
Promise me you'll be good, right? And
Oh shoot, I should have got that on video.
Right, you got your blankie?
Yes.
Where's that? Do you want to take it?
Yes.
Alright, put it in your... Oh, your toothbrush. Gianna, grab his toothbrush. This isn't the blanket that I washed, is it?
It is.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
You have another blue one.
No, that's only blue in my hat.
No.
That's mine. That's the one I don't. This one is it. Mama, this is it.
Oh, maybe I didn't fold it.
Ryan, get her.
No, because I used it next week.
Which toothbrush is yours, right?
Ryan, do
It's
it.
the blue one.
Do it on the wall.
Oh my God! Everybody needs these
The battery.
Brush your teeth much, right? Look at you need a new toothbrush. I'll get you another blue one. Unless you want, what color you want?
I want that one.
I'm giving you this one, but look at the bristles. So I said, brush your teeth much.
This is the one I use.
It's worn down. You're only supposed to keep. You're only supposed to keep a toothbrush for 2 months. After that, you have to get a new one because it won't clean your teeth. It's all. They're all the bristles are all wore down. You gotta get new ones. Because germs get in there. And it can make you really sick.